Hi, my pupils. I'm Ms. Iman Sayed from Learning Teacher Iman channel. Today, our revise is for grade 3, unit, grade 3, unit 3, grade 3, grade 3, unit 3, sorry, not unit 4, not 3, unit 4. But before I will go to revise our unit today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. As I told you before during the videos, that I leave the link of this file below the video to download it and answer the questions again. Okay, let's go to our revise today. Here we are here we revise unit 4. This unit is talking about what? About our home, about my home. So let's read together. Here we have, I love my home. Let's read the text together. Here we have, Hani, what are you doing? So Hani asked someone. Sorry, not Hani. His father is Hani's father. Asking Hani, what are you doing? So I want to ask about doing. I would like to what are you doing? What is the things that you do? Okay, it will be what the answer. It will be what I'm looking for my math book. Do you know where is it? So here, Hani searching for what? Searching for math book. No, I don't know. So the answer it will be I don't know. I don't know. I can't find it. I have a math homework. I can help you find your book. Okay, I'm looking on the bookcase. Can you look in the uh, can you look in the cupboard, please? Can you look in the cupboard, please? It's here in the cupboard. Next to. So here we have the proposition next to. Next followed by what? By to. I would like to know this very well. Next to the photo. Thanks, Dad. So here is the father. This is this his father is Hans' father. Okay, Hans' father. So he's saying thanks, Dad. Let's know the new vocab here to learn English. We have looking for. Looking for is the same like search. Is the same like the same meaning of search. Okay, you know search. This is look for is the same like search. Here we have math book, homework. Have math book. We have homework. All of us know the homework. Fine. We ask about what? Ask about place. We use what to ask about place here, and what to ask about what. We'll use what to ask about something. Okay. What to ask about something. Here we have the two keywords questions that we know it during the year, that we know how when we use this keyword question mode. I would like to say something in grade 3. I explained the keyword question in the videos. You can return to the videos and revise what we told during these videos. Okay. Here we have look for, search. We have here where, ask about place. What to ask about something. Here we have no, and here we have don't know. Okay, don't know means I can't know what this thing is in. Okay, no means I know this thing, I know the place of this thing. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's go to another one. Here we have What's in your living room? So here in the living room, we describe the living room. Can you describe the living room? Yes, let's describe the living room together. We have, there is a lamp. Which lamp here? This is lamp. This is called lamp. There is a chair. Which one is a chair here? This is chair. We have, there is a clock. Which one is clock? This is clock. There is a coach. Coach. This is this coach. Okay. Cupboard. Which one is cupboard here? This is a cupboard. This is cupboard. The bookcase. Which one is bookcase here? This is bookcase. This is bookcase that the TV is below it. Okay, this one is it's under, sorry, the the bookcase is under the TV. Okay. There is a table. Which one is table here? This is a table. Okay. We have, this is a table. There is a television. Which one is television here? This is television. Okay. We have, there is an armchair. Which one armchair here? This is an armchair. Okay. Here we describe the living room. When I say to you, describe your living room, I can say there is a lamp, there is a chair, there is a clock, there is a couch, there is a cupboard, there is a bookcase, there is a table, there is a television, there is an armchair, and so on. Okay, let's read this vocab. I would like from you, grade 3, write this vocab in half a column to be. Okay, I will leave the link of this booklet, of this file, below the video to download it and answer and write it together. Okay? And write it again. Okay, and I hope if when you write it, can send it to me on the channel. Okay, to know how to see your handwriting. Okay, what's in your living room? There is a lamp. There is a clock. Here there is, but it can written as IS, or can write as this. This is called abbreviation. Called what? Abbreviation. There is a lamp. There is a clock. There is a chair. There is a television. There is a cupboard. There is a table. There is an armchair. There is a case. There is a couch. What's in your living room? Here, in the previous page, we know the living room. What the things in living room? I leave this to do it by yourself. Okay, we know it, and you can do it by yourself. Let's go to another topic here, or another item here in this unit, which is propositions. You must know the propositions is important in English, like in Arabic. In Arabic, we say huruf al-jar, but in English, we say propositions. Okay, here we have on, behind, between, next to. And I would like to say something to pay attention, grade 3. If we come in the exam and have two, so it will be, we select what? We select without saying next, so without thinking also, without thinking. Next to, if the proposition is the proposition known as it is. Next to, between, behind, on. Let's go to know this proposition in the sentence. There is a lamp on the table. This is on the table. On the table. There is an armchair next to the cupboard. Which armchair? This is the armchair next to the cupboard. There is a bookcase behind the table. There is a table, and this is cupboard behind the table. There is a TV. There is a television between what? Between our two armchairs. Between the armchairs. This is an armchair, and this is an armchair, and the television is between the two armchairs. Here we have the vocab that you write it in half column. It will be next to, on, behind, between. What's in your living room? I will leave this to do it as a homework, because we know it in the lesson. I will leave it to do it as a homework. Let's go to another one here. Here we have. Here we have here the cat is what? Is next to. The cat here is next to. Next to. The cat here is on. What is the place of cat here? Is on. There is between. Between. Okay, here is the cat here is between. In this exercise, he practice you how practice you on writing a proposition. It's important to know the proposition. Here is behind. So here we have next to, we have on, between, and behind. Let's go to another exercise here. Let's go to another one here, another exercise. Put right or wrong. Lamp, this is a lamp. There is a lamp on the table or a book on the table. Here is what? There is lamp. So I select what one I selected. I select this one. There is a chair next to the couple. There is a chair next to, there is an armchair next to the couple. This is called chair or armchair? No, it's armchair. So I select which one? This one. This is a cupboard. This is a TV. This TV, no, it's not a TV. All of us know the TV. So the answer it will be the first one. There is a dog on the book. Is it a dog? No, it's not a dog. It's cat. It's what? It's cat. There is a cat on the book. I select this one. What's in your living room? What's in your bedroom? You can see this is living room or bedroom. No, it's a living room. So I select this one. Let's go to another to the next item here in this unit. How can you help at home? How can you help at home? Means we are living, we are with our mother, and we help our mother in home. We say, I feed the cat, I cut the vegetables, I swap the floor. The girls do these things because it's one of tasks in the future. The girls do these things because it's from their tasks during future in the future later. Okay, I make my bed. Here is not here not means make. Not here means tidy my bed. I set the table. Here is make my bed means tidy my bed. Set the table, prepare the table, feed the cat. Here is feed the cat. Cut the vegetables. Swap the floor. Let's go to answer the exercise related to this lesson. Here is the table. Can say feed the table. Someone saying feed the table or sweep the table. No, so we all say sweep the floor. So when you say the table, you can think with me. What can I select? I answered the wrong answer because I am imagine you. I imagine myself as a pupil in the exam. So I answered wrong to know which one is correct. So when we know the correct answer, you can correct. You can select the correct. You can, if you know the wrong answer, you can select the correct in the exam. You can think and you can in the exam you remember the correct answer. Okay, you know this grade 3. Here we have the table. As we learned in the last page, the table. Which verb is that used with the table? It will be I set the table. Here is what, where, how is in your living room. So we can say how. We use how to. I remember you with the WH question. How we use the how for what? For asking about state. Where we use it for about for asking about place. Which one is ask about something? What? So I select this one. Space. The K. Here is I can say I set the cat, or cut the cat, or feed the cat. No, it's feed the cat. Their aim is of a chair in my living room. So my living room here is singular. So I select which one I selected. I select is here. There is a lamp, couch, cupboard on the table. On the table, it will be what? It will be cupboard, wrong. It will be couch, wrong. It will be what? It will be a lamp. I cut, set, make my bed. So I would like to select the answer that is equal to tidy. Which one? I make my bed. Okay, here is Here is the vocab. You can keep it and ask. What is this? It's cupboard. I answer it in oral, and you can write it. You can write it by yourself. Okay. This is cupboard, TV, lamp, couch, armchair, between. Here is what? Here is set a table. Here is set a table. Set a table. Here is swap the floor. Let's go to another one. Another item here. Here we're using about what? He's connected with mathematics, multiplication table. I know that you know the multiplication. You took it in mathematics. Multiplication is adding the same numbers again and again. When we say two, here is 2 times 3 equals 6. So I count two as 6 times. One, so here times here means adding 3 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 3 it would be 6. Here, let's the opposite is 3. There is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Then when we want to make it in the multiplying process, it will be like this: 3 times 2. Here we have what's 4 times 3. Here we have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 it will be 12. Here I will count it, and we know this by multiplying. Here we have 3. There is 4 groups or 4 sets. 4. Here is 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 plus 3 equal 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. It will be 12. So 3 times 4 it will be what? It will be 12. Let's answer this together. 2 times 4. We have 2 4 times. 2 plus 2. I will do it as example below. There is 2 plus 2 plus 2. I will see you to do it. I answered some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it as well. It will be 2 plus 2 equal what? Equal 4. Here 2 plus 2 equal 4. So it will be here what? It will be 8. Okay? This is the idea of multiplying table. Here 4 times 5. Here 4 plus 4. 4 times means 4 adding 5 times like this. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. It will be what? Here we have 4 plus 4. It will be what? It will be 8. 4 plus 4. 8, and here it will be 8, and here it will be 4. So here 16. Here is 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4. 6 plus 4 it will be 10. Adding 1 to the to 1 it will be 20. So the answer it will be 20. Okay, answer it will be 20. Not 6. 20. 20 without 6. Here is 3 times 5. So 3 adding 5 times 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I turned the video to mathematics lesson. I leave the English, and now I teaching you mathematics. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It will be 5 times. There is 3 plus 3. It will be 6. 3 plus 3 it will be 6. And here is 12. 12 plus 3 it will be what? 12 plus 3. 12. It will be 12 plus 3. It will be what? 12 plus 3. It will be 15. I will make it in simplest way to answer. Okay, so it will be 15. Okay, it will be 15. So the answer it will be 15. I will leave the rest of the problems to do it as on. Okay. Now we know how to answer the multiplying table, and if you don't do and I say you if you keep the multiplying table, it's easy to answer it. Okay, without doing all these problems. Okay, to save our time. Okay, there is a division. What is the division? Division is the opposite. Like in mathematics, we have plus and minus. It's opposite. Here in multiplying table, Multiplying table is the opposite of dividing. What is this like this? Here we have, as we told you that the multiplying is adding numbers and the multiplying to the how many times that adding this number. Okay, here we have 10 divided by 2. You can remember with me which number that I multiplied by 2, giving me a 10 to be 5. 20 divided by 5 equal what? Equal 4. Okay. Here we have so 15 divided by 5. We told it in the last page. 3. 12 divided by 3, it will be 4. 14 divided by 2, it will be 7. If you keep the, I would like to say, if you keep the multiplying, it's easy to answer it without doing the addition. Okay, and without and doing the divided in the simplest way. Okay. I say about myself, I'm keeping the multiplying table very well. If you ask me any number, number times number, I'll answer you. Okay, this is the only thing that I take it from the mathematics and I know it very well. Okay, 16 divided by 4, it will be 4. 30 divided by 3, it will be what? It will be 10. Can you say 3 times 10? 3 times 10, it will be what? It will be 30. So 30 divided by 3, it will be what? It will be 10. Here 18 divided by 6, it will be what? It will 18 divided by 6, it will be what? It will be 3. 3 times 6, it will be 18. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here we have the new vocab, multiplication. Multiplication. You can say, Miss Iman, we can keep this vocab. I tell you yes, because it's not a discover. It's an English, so we must enrich your vocab because if you enrich your vocab, you can write the paragraph. Okay, the paragraph depends on the vocab that you gained from learning English during the years. Okay, here we have multiplication, times, aid, equals, division, divided by. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have bear, hair. Here is the phonics AR. Here we have bear and hair. Have beard, ear. Okay, let's read these sentences. He has read. I would like to say that during the previous years in grade 1 and grade 2 we took verb to have, and we told you that have and has is used for what? For describing something is belong to us. Something is belong to us. Like we say, I have a new car. I have a new dress. I have a red book, for example, or a red T-shirt. Okay, for example. So here we have and has used to describing something that belongs to me. He has red hair and white beard. He has black. He has black ears. Has black ears. This is the cat. We have a new chair in the living room. Here we have the punctuation marks. Let's learn it together. When we write a list, we use comma like this. When we write sentences, we adding a and to not repeating things. Like you say, I love playing cards, collecting magnets, and listening to music. So I write the things that that is the things that I like to do it. What is the things that I like to do? I love I like playing cards, collecting magnets, and listening to music. Okay, so this is the things that we do. Here we have I eat bananas, orange, and apple. This is the multiplying table. I will leave it to answer. I answered below. Here is what? Bird divided. Here we have bears, chair, plus equal here, and this is multiply. Okay, put the correct punctuation. This punctuation, this punctuation by coming in the exam in the when we go to grade 4, you can write it like this, and you can answer by yourself. Okay, you can write it like this, and you can answer making a new way for this picture. Here we have, as we told you before, that if the punctuation coming in any way, you must you must underline the wrong letter that I correct like this. Here we have there, so I underline the letter, and I correct this letter to the capital letter like this. Okay, I will see you how to do it. Okay, here we have that, so it will be your T. Here it will be T. Here it will be T. We have here, there are a chair, we have comma, a clock, a table, and a television in a living room. Here we have the letter or the word that I collected. It will be here I, because I here written in small letter. It must be written in capital letter. As we told before, we have note about a note grade 3. I is the pronoun, is the only pronoun that if it comes in any place in the sentence, you must read it in capital letter. You must know this, okay? Because if someone saying to me, Miss Iman, the pronoun I comes in the middle, and I write it in small letter, it will be zero. It will be zero. It will be zero. Okay? You must know this thing very well. When the pronoun I comes in different places with the capital letter, is the only one. Is the only pronoun. She and he and so on. If it comes in the middle, you can write it in small letter. Okay. Here we have I write it here in capital letter. I feed the cat. So here we say what the things that I do. I feed the cat, set the table, sweep the floor, and make my bed. So here I'm narrating the things that I do. Okay. So we must have here a comma like this. Okay, comma. Here we have also I written in capital letter. I like playing football, tennis, and basketball. Okay, and basketball. And here I forgot to put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Here we have there isn't sentence putting there isn't question form sentence. Okay, so we don't use the question mark. Here we have full stop here, full stop here, full stop here. You can say full stop or can say both are correct. Let's go to another item here in this unit. Here we talk about the natural resources in Egypt. Okay, natural resources in Egypt. Let's read together these sentences. We take the sand from desert. We take the sand from desert. We add chemicals to sand. Then we put everything in a bowl. Okay, we melt sand and chemicals to make liquid. Then we shape the glass. So here we're saying that what is the here we're saying about what about the processing of making the glass. We can make many things from glass. Making things from glass, like what, make glasses, make also make glasses, make mirrors, make everything. All these are made from glass. Okay. Here we have iron ore, rock, milk, chemicals, iron ore, rock, milk, chemicals. This iron ore is a strange for you. Must know it. Okay, is a is a different word that you don't take don't take or no, don't know. Okay, iron ore. It will, let's read the vocab. and I would like to, as we told, write this vocab in half column. We have natural resources, iron ore, rock, and melt. Here we have chemicals, shape, liquid, powder. Let's answer the question below this lesson. Here we have we use metal to make things like. Here we have to talk about. I think this lesson is related to science. Is related to science, connected with science. Okay, because we know how to make glass and know the things that makes from metals, like knife, spoon, paper clips, bike, nails. And I would like to say, what are things that you see in home that is made of metal? We have knife, we have spoon, we have fork, we have also what also have many things that made from metals, like what also I will keep with you. We see things also made, but not in our home, like cars, like buses. All these made of metals or not? Yes, all these are made of metals. Okay, let's answer the question related to this lesson. Egypt has many natural resources. We make space from sand. We make what from the sand? From sand. We make glass. Expand. I'm listening, because here we know from this lesson that the process of making glass. Okay, the process that is making glass. Okay, this related to the science. You must know it. Okay. You can say, Miss Iman, why you are giving us this connect? Giving us this connect because English, because the language is important to know. Is the key of the other subjects. Okay, so must know this in connect. This benefit you in studying in science lessons. So here he giving you a brief about the knowledge and took it in details in when we go to science the teacher explain in details and more details, and you can note from your teacher, from science teacher, but here we give you a brief about this topic. Okay, we can make space from sand. We can make what? Make glass. We can melt sand and chemicals to make what? To make what? To make solids, to make liquids, to make gases. Here we melt chemicals to make what? We melt chemicals here to make a liquid. To make a liquid. Because here when we want to make what? To make the to make what? To make what? To make the glass. Okay, to shape the glass. Okay, so we melt sand and chemicals to make a liquid. Okay, to make a liquid. So the answer it will be liquid. Liquid. We put sand and chemicals in a bowl. We take sand from what? We can take sand from far, wrong. From river, wrong. From what? From desert. Okay. Here it will be chemicals. Here we have milk. Here we have here we have lamb and equal. Okay. I will write some of them and I will leave the rest to write it after you keep the vocab. As I told you before, that we must keep the vocab to answer this question. Okay, there is chemicals and there is milk, there is lamb. I answer some of them, not all of them. Okay. I will leave the rest to keep the vocab and answer by yourself. Let's go to another exercise here. Here we have matching what is in the living room. What can, as we talked before, as we know during the lesson, what is in the living room? There is an armchair. I select this one by this one. There is a lamp on the table. I'm listening. You say the table. So if you answer with me, you are paying attention for what I say. Okay. You can make glass from what? You make glass from what? From sand, as we know during the lesson. From sand. What is the bike made of? You can guess with me. What is the bike made of? Made of metal. Okay. as we know, made of metal. So I select number 4 by number B. Egypt has many natural resources. Let's go to the next question. Here is the floor. What can I do with the floor? I can sweep the floor. So we make knife from metal. Here we say, Miss Iman, we have a long punctuate. I'm listening to saying we have a long punctuate. What is this long writing the letter in the beginning of the sentence in small letter. This is a mistake. Okay, and this is also a mistake. You must write W in capital letter. 2 times 3. To be, I will write it in digits to note. 2 would be 2. Here 2 times 3, as we know it during the lesson. Here 2 plus 2 plus 2 would be 2 plus 2 equal 4, and 2 plus 2 equal 6. So the answer it will be 6 here. I space vegetables. I cut vegetables. I'm saying I'm listening to saying even cut vegetables are clever people. There is a space in the living room. There is a chair. Are clever pupils. Let's go to another question. I hope grade 3 to write your opinions below that video that I answer that I downloaded for you. Write your opinions below the video to know what is the difficulties that you suffering from. Okay, or saying there is something difficult, you must and you must explaining again. I explain what is the difficult. I would like to know your opinions to develop our channel. Our channel now is we have a view. We have views, but I would like to know more and more about you to develop our to develop our work and to give you more and more information. Okay, I hope to do so. Grade 3. Okay, glass is made of sand. Yes or no? It will be here. Yeah, we say we know during the lesson. Yes, paper clips made of water. Strong. Why? Because paper clips made of what? Metal. Okay, I'm listening to things non-metal. Are clever pupils. I make the table, not make the table. Why? Because make here used for what? Make here used for the bed. So it will be I set the table. Means I prepare the table. Okay, I prepare the table for eating. Okay, Egypt has many natural resources. It will be right. 4 times 2, it will be 10. 4 here times 2, it will be 10. No, it's not that. It will be what? It will be 8. 4 times 2, it will be 8. So here 8, adding 4, we add 2, 2, we're adding 2 4 times. Okay, 2 plus 2 it will be 4, and 2 plus 2 it will be 4, and 4 plus 4 equals what? Equals 8. It will be 8. 4 times 2 it will be 8. I don't help my family. It's wrong. Okay, let's continue this lesson. Today we stopped here in unit. We finished unit 4. Next class I will start revise. I will start revising. I will start next class. I will revise unit 5. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.